Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. See here, this is a fantastic bit of kit. Okay, basically this is to convert your normal bagger or your Softail, whatever. We'd also do one for the Sportster. This is big twin. Okay, this converts your normal cable clutch to hydraulic. Okay, this particular item, you take out your mechanical actuator, all right, and this thing goes in its place. So this goes under your primary cover. We also do a kit where basically you use the fancy chrome covers like P&M, which we also keep in stock. But this is a real simple, cool way of doing it, so you hardly know it's there. Okay, comes complete with a brand new hydraulic brake clutch cylinder. All right, good quality, nice, nice stuff, not cheap shit. Okay, brand new switch housings. If you want to fit our super duper lit switches in these, we do them. Another one, and here's your new brake. So if you're building a custom bike or a chop, you've got a bit of a wrist problem, which a lot of people might have sprained a wrist, carpal tunnel, whatever you call it, or basically fitted a big motor which has got a big strong clutch on, big belt drive, something like that, and need a bit more leverage. This in traffic, especially if you live in London, fantastic idea. Okay, round about 400 quid retail, we can do you a better deal than that. Give us a call, 01773 835 666. Alternatively, www.customcruisers.com.